In this video, I will show you how to enable HVCI for Valorant on Windows. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security, and then click Device Security. Open it and select Core Isolation Details. Find Memory Integrity and make sure it is turned on. If it's already enabled, you can try turning it off, restart your PC, and then check Valorant again. If the issue continues, open the Start menu and search for Edit Group Policy. Open it, then go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, and Device Guard. Find Turn on Virtualization Base Security and double-click it. Select Enabled, click Apply, and then click OK. Finally, open the Start menu, search for Run, and enter MMC Info 32. Press Enter and look for Virtualization Base Security or the Hyper-V virtualization setting. Make sure virtualization is enabled in your system firmware. After making these changes, restart your PC and try launching Valorant again. And that's how you can enable HVCI for Valorant on Windows.